Hello students, good morning. As in previous lecture, we learned the addition of two rational numbers in two different conditions. First, when the denominator of rational numbers are equal, and second, when the denominators of rational numbers are different. पिछले लेक्चर में हम क्या पढ़ा था? एडिशन ऑफ टू रेशनल नंबर्स। पहली कंडीशन पढ़ा था कि जब उनके डिनोमिनेटर क्या हो, सेम हो, और दूसरे में हमने पढ़ा था जब उनके डिनोमिनेटर क्या हो, डिफरेंट हो। टुडेज वीडियो लेक्चर वी लर्न द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ रेशनल नंबर्स। देयर आर सम प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ रेशनल नंबर्स ऑफ एडिशन. We learn one by one. The first property. Properties of addition of rational numbers. Rational numbers. First property is closure property. Property first. Closure property. Closure property. Properties of addition of rational numbers. Property first. Closure property. Equal is the sum of two rational numbers. The sum of two rational numbers. Two rational numbers are the sum of two rational numbers is a rational number. Is a rational number. The first property is closure property. According to this property, if we add two rational numbers, then their sum will also be rational number. Verify it by some examples. As if we take A upon B and C upon B, two rational numbers. Two rational numbers. Then A upon B plus C upon D is a rational number. Rational number. Here 1 upon 3 plus 3 upon 4. We take two rational numbers 1 upon 3 and 3 upon 4. So we see that the denominators of both rational numbers are different. हम क्या देख रहे हैं कि जो दोनों रेशनल नंबर्स हैं इनके डिनोमिनेटर क्या है, डिफरेंट है. Now we use the second method of solving the addition of two rational numbers when the denominator is different. First of all, we take LCM. After that, we write the both rational numbers with common denominator. Clear? So we take the LCM of denominators 3 and 4. As we know that the LCM of 3 and 4 will be 12. Now we write here 12. Clear? First of all, we divide 12 with 3. 3 4 12 and multiply with the numerator. 1 into 4. Sign plus plus. We divide 12 by 4. 4 is 12 and multiply 3 to 3. 3 into 3. 4 1 is 4 plus 3 is 9 upon 12 means 9 plus 4 13. 30 upon 12. 30 upon 12 is a rational number. So we can write 1 upon 3 plus 3 upon 4 equal to 30 upon 12 which is a rational number. हमारी पहली प्रॉपर्टी क्या थी? क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी ये कहती है अगर हम दो रेशनल नंबर्स को ऐड करेंगे तो उनका सम भी क्या होगा? रेशनल नंबर होगा ना. इफ वी ऐड टू रेशनल नंबर्स then the sum of the rational numbers will also be a rational number. Clear? Which is verified by this example, as we have 1 upon 3 a rational number and 3 upon 4 is also a rational number, and sum of these two rational numbers is 30 upon 12 which is a rational number. Clear? Now we discuss the second property which is commutative. According to this, two rational numbers can be added in any order. Commutative property. Second, commutative property. Commutative property. Commutative property. According to commutative property, two rational numbers can be added in any order, and the sum of these two rational numbers will remain same. कहने में क्या है कि हम दो रेशनल नंबर्स को किसी भी ऑर्डर में ऐड करेंगे तो एडिशन जो होगा वो क्या रहेगा? रिमेन्स सेम रहेगा. मीन्स द एडिशन ऑफ टू रेशनल नंबर्स इज इंडिपेंडेंट ऑफ देयर ऑर्डर. क्लियर? टू रेशनल नंबर्स can be added in any order. Clear? We take if A upon B and C upon D are two rational numbers, then A upon B plus C upon D equal to C upon D plus A upon B. According to commutative property, we can add two rational numbers in any order. The sum of the rational numbers will be same. We take the examples 1 upon 2 and 3 upon 4. There are two rational numbers, 1 upon 2, second one is 3 upon 2. First of all, we have 1 upon 2 plus 3 upon 4 equal to 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2. According to commutative property, we check it. LHS, first of all, so 1 upon 2 plus 3 upon 2 equal to, we sum the LCM of 2 and 4 will be 4. We divide 4 by the number 2 to the 4 and we multiply 2 with numerator 1. 1 into 2 plus. If we divide 4 by 4, 4 1 ja 4, 1. We multiply 1 with numerator 3. 3 into 1. 1 2 ja 2 plus 3 1 ja 3 upon 4. 2 plus 3 5. 5 upon 4. Means 1 upon 2 plus 3 upon 4 equal to 5 upon 4. Clear? Now we solve the RHS. Our RHS is 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2. LCM will be 4. 4 1 ja 4 1. 3 multiply 1 plus 2 ja 4. 1 multiplied by 2. 3 1 ja 3 plus 2 1 ja 2 upon 4. 3 to 5 upon 4. We see that the sum of 1 upon 2, 3 upon 4 is 5 upon 4. And we see that 3 upon 4 plus 2 upon 2 is also 5 upon 4. Means LHS equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS, which verifies our statements. Means closure property. If we add two rational numbers, then the sum will be same if we change the order of the rational numbers. Means we can add two rational numbers in any order, the result will be always same. Now we will discuss the third property, which is associative property. Associative property third है associative property. Associative property. Clear? When adding three rational numbers, three rational numbers, they can be grouped in any order. Next, associative property. It is applies when we have to add three rational numbers. According to this, when we are adding three rational numbers, then they can be grouped in any order. For example, we see that we take three rational numbers a upon b, c upon d, e upon f. According to associative property, a upon b plus c upon d plus e upon f equal to a upon b plus c upon d plus e upon f equal to c upon d plus e upon f. Sorry. A upon B plus E upon F plus C upon D। कहने मतलब कि अगर हम क्या कर रहे हैं, 3 रेशनल नंबर्स को ऐड कर रहे हैं, तो उनमें हम किन्हीं भी 2 रेशनल नंबर्स को साथ में ग्रुप कर देंगे और आफ्टर दैट थर्ड को हम क्या करेंगे, ऐड करेंगे। X we see that A upon B, C upon D, E upon F are 3 rational numbers. First of all, we make a group of A upon B and C upon D. After that, we add E upon F. Now, we separate E upon F and form a group of C upon D and E upon F. In next, we make group A upon B and E upon F. After that, we add C upon D. Clear? Now, we verified it by the examples. We take the example x minus 2 upon 5 plus 5 upon 7 plus 1 upon 6. Clear? Equal to minus 2 upon 5 plus 5 upon 7 plus 1 upon 6. Clear? We take the rational numbers minus 2 upon 5, 5 upon 7, 1 upon 6. First of all, we group minus 2 upon 5 and 5 upon 7. After that, we add 1 upon 6. In RHS, minus 2 upon 5, we group 5 upon 7 and 1 upon 6. We solve both sides. The LCM of 5 and 7 will be 35. Clear? So 5 7 and 35, we multiply 7, numerator 2. Minus 2 into 7 plus. Since 35, we multiply 5 into 5 plus 1 upon 6 equal to minus 2 upon 5 plus, we take the LCM of 7 and 6, it will be 42, 7 6 42, 7 6 are 42, 6, we multiply 6 with 5, 5 into 6 plus 6 7 are 42, we multiply 1 by 7. Clear? 7 to 14 minus 14 plus 5 times are 25 upon 35 plus 1 upon 6 equal to minus 2 upon 5 plus 5 6 are 30 plus 7 upon 42. Clear? Now, we see that 25 minus 14 11, 5 minus 4 1, 2 minus 1 1, 11 upon 35 plus 1 upon 6 equal to minus 2 upon 5 plus 30 plus 7 37 upon 42. Now we take LCM of 35 and 6, it will be 210. 6 5 and 33, 60 and 21, 210. Now we multiply 11 by 6, 11 6 are 66 plus 1 by 35, 35 here equal to. Now here we multiply the LCM of 5 and 42 will be also 210. We multiply minus 2 by 42. 2 is 4 to 4 is minus 84 plus. Now we multiply 37 by 5, 5 7 is 35. 3 और 5 से 15 3 5 से 35 3 और 5 से 15 3 80 185 and 6 5 11 1 6 9 1 10 upon 210 equal 5 minus 4 1 8 minus 8 0 1 upon 210. We see that LHS and RHS are same, hence our associative property is verified. Clear? The remaining properties I will discuss in the next video. I hope that all the three properties, first closure, second commutative, and third associative, will be clear to you. Thank you.